Hi, my name is Chuck Greenberg. I'm 67 years old, a full-time resident of Cape Coral, and coming from Minnesota, being born and raised there, I played hockey all my life, did some damage to various parts of my body, mostly my right knee, and I was having a lot of problems. If I was sitting in a restaurant or sitting on a bar stool, when I would get up to leave or to go to use the men's room, I could barely straighten out my knee, and it hurt really bad. I had learned to live with it, but as time went on, it got to be to the point where I couldn't stand it anymore. My wife had gotten some soft wave therapy for her hand, swore that it was the greatest thing ever, and I'm one of the world's great skeptics. I believe that everything is a scam. And I was convinced by my wife to at least give it a try. And as much as I hate to admit that I could ever be that wrong, I was 100% wrong about the process. It is, as far as I'm concerned, as close to magic as it can possibly be. Now, I have full range of motion with my knee. It doesn't hurt when I stand up. It doesn't hurt when I lay in bed. It's just wonderful. It's like somebody replaced my knee, except instead of having to undergo surgery and a long, arduous recovery process, I was able to do it with no pain, no invasive issues. And Dina, the wonderful technician that took care of me, is as close to a magician as I could possibly imagine. I don't know what else to say. I would encourage anybody that is even considering this or has issues like I did to investigate it, give it a shot. Obviously, I can't guarantee that you'll have the same results that I did, but I would be very surprised if you did not. This is a wonderful, fabulous process.